Guys, welcome back again. If you're not yet subscribed, do me a favor, subscribe. This is lemon water. If this is going to interest you, stay here. I will share with you how to make this kind of lemon water to keep you going for entire 24 hours. Energy, bathroom, pee, poop, metabolic boost, everything in this juice. So stay here, let's get right into the video. Good morning all. Thank you guys for coming back. This is Katia Valino. Please remember to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. It's early in the morning and I am enjoying the early morning sun, and I want to share with you guys the first thing I take as soon as I get up in the morning is a different way of making lemon water. Lemon water with cinnamon and ginger. Amazing. It's going to hold you for the whole day, prevent constipation, flush out all the toxins in your system, and get all your colon and intestine ready to go. So the first thing you need is your hot water. Hot water and half lemon. Make sure, I always like to use organic. Half lemon, lemon juice. If you don't have access to fresh lemon juice, you can go ahead and use already made lemon juice. But hello, if you want to get the maximum benefits of what you're doing, make sure you use the fresh one. So in here is shredded ginger. If you don't have juicer, just use a grater, shred the ginger. And I will put some ginger juice in here. Add some ginger. So this is really shredded ginger soaked in hot water or warm water. The next thing you want to be adding into this is cinnamon. Will help to balance your blood sugar, help to boost up your metabolic system, metabolic rate. Everything you're gonna eat in the day, you're sure that they're not going to be clogged and stocked up into your system. They are going to work, move, right? And when you have high metabolic rate, you don't have bloated stomach and you lose weight faster. So let's add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Scoop it around. So guys, your first drink of the day is ready. Wake up to cinnamon, ginger, and lemon water in the morning, and you're ready to go for the whole day. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. You don't need to add honey, but if you really want to add honey, if you really want to add honey, go ahead and add honey. But at this time, I am not adding any honey to this. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you in my next video. Bye.